Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to use the Learn Coding section in SyllabusPro AI. Step 1. Choose your language. Click Learn Coding from the sidebar. You'll see a list of popular programming languages like Python, JavaScript, Java, and C++. Pick the one you want to learn or select Other and type in absolutely any language. Step 2. Choose your difficulty level. You'll see 3 options to match your skills. Beginner is perfect for absolute beginners, covering basics like variables, loops, and functions. Intermediate is for those who know the basics and want to tackle concepts like object-oriented programming, file handling, and algorithms. And advanced, designed for experienced programmers looking to master design patterns, optimization, and complex data structures. Step 3. Learn from AI-generated lessons. The AI generates a complete structured course with multiple lessons. Each lesson is packed with value, including a clear theory explanation, the general syntax, practical code examples with syntax highlighting, a detailed line-by-line explanation of the code, and practice exercises to test your knowledge. You can easily navigate between lessons using the next and previous buttons. Step 4. Get help. Stuck on a coding problem? Don't worry. Each lesson has 2 built-in helper tools. First, the AI tutor. Just ask any question about the current lesson. Second, the code helper. Paste your code and the AI will analyze it, spot bugs, and suggest instant improvements. Step 5. Track your progress. Once you finish all the lessons in a difficulty level, you'll earn a completion badge. Plus, all your progress is automatically saved to your profile. That's it. Start learning to code with AI today. See you in the next video.